Next topic and next unit is big data technologies, applications and impact. Under this unit, we will cover the contents that is the social media analytics, text mining, mobile analytics, role and responsibilities of big data persons, organizational impact, data analytics life cycle, data scientist roles and responsibilities, understanding the decision theory, creating the big data strategy, big data values creation drives, the Porter and valuations, creations model, big data user experience, ramifications, identifying big data use cases. Okay, so next, first we will discuss what is the social media analytics and why it is the importance, what is the social media analytics life cycle. So now, social media analytics is defined as it is a process of collecting the data from the social media websites and examining the data with the help of social media analytics tools for taking the decision related the decision. So one of the examples with the social media analytics is your Twitter. A lot of people use a Twitter, that is this is the one of the popular media of the social media popular app of the social media, and a lot of people sent or put their views through this Twitter. So this is the one of the media through which one of the sources through which we can collect the data. Then this data we will analysis, and that particular filter data we will use for the business purpose. So that is your social media analytics, collecting the data from the social media social resources. It may be anything, it may be any social media app, it may be any another purchasing app like Amazon, then Amazon like Amazon, etc. So it is the art and science of extracting the important hidden insight from huge amount of semi-structures and unstructured social media data to facilitate the informations and insightful decision making. The process of social media analytics goes far than the normal monitorings or basis analysis of retweet or likes to develop the in details idea of the social consumer. There is a considerable the basic foundations for enabling an enterprises like execute the focus mapping such as the one to one and one to many, improve the social collaborations over the range of business functions like customer services, marketing, supporting, etc. And it is a maximize the customer experience. For social media is best way to understand a real time consumer preferences, purpose and some sentiments. One of the most common applications of social media analytics is to organize the base of customer demands to assist for better target customer services and marketing. The social media analytics is not only the responsible for collecting the data, it can also the responsible for alignment of the data. The importance of social media analytics is there is a very huge amount of informations present in a social media. In the past decade, experiences paid market research companies to fool the consumers, and it may be conduct the focus groups to get the type of informations that consumer now enthusiastically post to provide the social media platforms. The problems with this information is in the form of the free text and natural language. The kinds of unstructured data and analytics algorithms have conventionally, but as the machine learnings and the artificial intelligence have the advance, it's become the easier for business to calculate it and a scalable way the information in the social media post. This permit the enterprises to extract informations about how the public understands their brands, which kind of the products consumer like and dislikes, and generally where the markets are going. With the help of the social analytics, is the possible to determine with all this without less reliable pollings and focus groups. So because of this social media, or because social media, or like the example of the take the example of the Amazon. So this Amazon's reviews, in each and every, suppose any website is there through which we are selling something, and always there is the review option is there. So every time, so whenever any persons will purchase something from this website, it puts his or her review on that particular things, and that particular reviews data will collected by the multiple companies. Google sell to the multiple companies. That data will be analyzed by the different companies, and on this basis they got the informations of different users. They are liking, disliking product, what type of the products they want, what type of the requirements they have regarding the particular device, particular demands, and on this basis they prepared their business, they are prepared their product, uh, and on this basis they generate or increase their revenue. So this is the so that's why this is the importance of the social media. In a easy way, the business, multiple organizations or business sector will get the data through the social media. And analysis, social media analysis is one of the major factors. Through this, all this data will be analyze. So social media analytics is the one of the process, and this process is distributed in a different phases, and that particular phases is called the social media analytical life cycle. So this social media analytical life cycle is defined the flows. In this way, this analysis process will be done. So social media paves a way for brands to interact the customers, keep the peace with the current trends, and gather the comparative insights with the events of tools like the big data, and they have the data flowing in the form of the various process, paving the ways for dynamic inputs and plenty of the business devices. So now we will discuss what is the social media analytical life cycles, what are the different phases, what are the different roles of this social media analytics life cycle. So this is the figures of a social media analytics life cycle. These are different parameters of this. Now one by one we will explore the each and every phase in details. So first one is the extract. This is the first phase in the social media analytics process, which is responsible for extracting the business related data. Generally, the data extractions could have two different scopes. So for first one is the for the requirements such as the monitoring of brand or campaigning. The scope is all the posts from the whole social media words that match to the definite sets of keyword or search terms. And next one is the for the requirements like the measurements of performance or competitive intelligence. The scope is all the posts from the defined set of the social media offset. The extraction is nothing but the we are extracting, or the companies who will analysis this data, the social media data collected from the social media, will extract it their useful information. So means review, positive review, they analysis the positive review regarding some product that they are interested for their business purpose. They are collect, they are differentiate the positive reviews, they are differentiate the negative reviews in the extracted format. Okay, so next one is the analysis. Next phase, this is we have covered this, that is the extracted phase, business relevance, post and profiles. Okay, they are extracted, they are search these informations, they are collect this information, extract the useful informations as per their interest and separate these informations. Next one is the analysis phase. Okay, analysis phase. In this phase, they attempt to clean and make the sense of gather data. This may involve the aspects such as volume, trends analysis, ranking, post ranking, profile, etc. And the extracted and analysis phase perform on regular basis. Because of this, it can be called as the social media listening programs. And the finding and insight from the listening exercise